Top 30 Wonders of Europe. Number 1. The Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. Number 2. Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. Number 3. The Blue Lagoon, Iceland. Number 4. Mont Saint-Michel, France. Number 5. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Number 6. The Colosseum, Italy. Number 7. Santorini, Greece. Number 8. Hallstatt, Austria. Number 9. Meteora, Greece. Number 10. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. Number 11. The Northern Lights, Norway. Number 12. Prague's Old Town, Czech Republic. Number 13. Cinque Terre, Italy. Number 14. The Eiffel Tower, France. Number 15. The Swiss Alps, Switzerland. Number 16. Stonehenge, England. Number 17. Budapest Parliament, Hungary. Number 18. The Alhambra, Spain. Number 19. Amsterdam's Canals, Netherlands. Number 20. The Arctic Circle, Finland. Number 21. The Pyramids of Gimmer, Canary Islands. Number 22. The Amalfi Coast, Italy. Number 23. The Acropolis, Greece. Number 24. The Black Forest, Germany. Number 25. The Loire Valley, France. Number 26. Lapland, Finland. Number 27, the Matterhorn, Switzerland. Number 28, Dubrovnik, Croatia. Number 29, the Norwegian Fjords, Norway. Number 30, the Northern Lights, Iceland. Which of these destinations are on your 2025 travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you on the next adventure.